In this video, we'll cover inviting, managing, and revoking access to collaborators. Collaborators are other users who can create floors, zones, and add devices to zones. We'll go ahead and create a project. We'll enter our new project and invite a collaborator. This account is currently the owner of this project since it is the account that created the project. I'll go ahead and invite a collaborator. Now this user can assist us in configuring this project for us. I'll go ahead and log out of this account and log in as the collaborator. As you can see, as a collaborator, Project 1 appears on our project list. Here on this list, we can see the list of collaborators on this project. I'll go back to Project 1 and create a new floor. I'll add 4 new zones for this floor. Now we'll move to on-site provisioning. It is important that the provisioning device, such as an iPad, is close to the devices we wish to add to this network. I'll go ahead and launch the Fulham app, and I am currently logged in as the collaborator. As you can see, Project 1 is listed in our projects list. I'll go ahead and enter Project 1, Floor 1, and then add devices to these zones. You can see our other video covering more detail on how to add devices to zones. For this demo, I'll go ahead and speed up this section of the video. Now every zone has a device provision to it. For the purposes of this demo, this project is now completed and the collaborator is no longer needed. I'll go ahead and log back in as the account owner. I'll enter Project 1. I can see that Floor 1 was created along with 4 zones and devices added to them. The collaborator is no longer needed. I'll go back to Project 1, Collaborators, and revoke access to the collaborator. You can revoke access of a single collaborator, or if there are multiple collaborators, you can select the collaborators you wish to revoke access to. I'll go ahead and revoke access to control support. Now only the account owner has access to this project. Logged in as a collaborator, I'll go ahead and launch the Fulham app. As you can see, our access to this project has been revoked and no longer appears on our project list. This concludes inviting and removing collaborators. For more videos about the eliteBlue commissioning tools, please visit fulham.com/videos/eliteBlue.